Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create AI vocals for your tracks with Suno AI. So you can access a Suno AI on suno.com. Don't forget to sign in with your account in order to get a free credits. So here there are pro, or you have to like upgrade your account in order to enjoy all the service, all the feature. And here there are some example fresh from V4 global trending and so on. So you can create one. Just click create in order to create your track or create your vocal, sorry. So here there are some button here, so you can click custom. So welcome to custom mode. So you can start with the lyrics, write down your thought, choose the style, then extend your song. So you want to go longer, click extend on the song rows and enter additional lyrics to extend the songs and so on. So get started. Here please accept there is a terms to make a song with custom lyrics. Please confirm yes, I accept. And here, so there's a full song. You can enter prompt below to generate a lyric. There is a byline. What is this? So here you can click right here to insert lyrics. When lyrics are selected, the button changes to rewrite. Okay, let's try another time. So here you can enter your own lyric, or you can describe the lyric that you want, or share, or theme, or topic. Let's try describe the lyric that I want is a traveling to a past, traveling to the past to meet X. Then you can choose Remy. Newest, most creative model may generate content that some find offensive. No, we are going to try the classic one. Then write, maybe double L. Then write a lyrics. Click this write a lyrics button. Let's DAA generate your lyric. There is song title, blast to the past, back to the start. So this is the AI generated your lyrics. Sounds funny, but this is the first chorus, first two chorus, bridge, and first three. And the same way, first chorus, first two chorus, bridge, chorus. So there are differently. So I found the time machine in my basement, took a ride to days I've long chased, back when we were carefree, love so patient, thought I rewrote the script you erase. And this one, Cold Night and the time machine rolling back to the 17. I think this is more like teenage. Let's select this option. Here is the really great generated by AI. So there is an instrumental, or you can turn on instrumental if you don't want to add lyric, or you don't want to have some vocals here. Style of music. This is the extent. Okay, let's try another one another time. So enter style of music. So just try a Latin hip hop. And next, title back to the start and click to create. Select the image the best matches the theme of the sample. Let's try this one. Sorry. This is like CAPTCHA. Select the image that best matches the theme of the sample. And here we go. This is the result. So here you can download the track, MP3 audio or the video. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.